You can learn English, keep going. English is easy. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. You can do it. Hello, my friend. Are you learning English? Great job. You're already doing something amazing. Today, I want to talk to you, yes, you, about why learning English is possible and how you can stay motivated. Because guess what? English is easy if you take small steps. Let's begin together. 1. You are not alone. Many people around the world are learning English. Every day, people just like you study, read, listen, and practice. Some are fast, some are slow. But speed doesn't matter. What matters is this. You don't stop. You keep going. And that's what makes a good learner. 2. Start small, grow big. Do you know 100 English words? That's great. Do you know how to say, hello, how are you? My name is? Wonderful. Start with these. Repeat them. Use them. Every word is like a small seed. You plant it now, and tomorrow it grows into a big tree. Practice every day. Read, listen, speak, write. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to try. 3. To speak even if it's not perfect. Many learners wait. They say, I will speak when I know more. But, no. Start now. Say short sentences like, I like English. My favorite color is blue. I want to travel. These small sentences are powerful. When you speak, your brain learns faster. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. You can do it. 4. Use English in your day. Here's a secret. You don't need a big school to learn. You just need a little English every day. In the morning, say one English sentence. In the afternoon, watch a short English video. In the evening, write one English sentence in your notebook. Example. Today I drink tea. It is sunny today. I feel happy. That's enough. One sentence is enough to grow. English is easy. One step every day. 5. Believe in yourself. You are smart. You are strong. You are learning something new. And yes, sometimes it feels hard. Sometimes you forget. Sometimes you make mistakes. But guess what? Everybody does. Even native speakers. Say this with me. I'm not perfect, but I'm learning. I'm not fast, but I'm moving. I will speak English. I will understand. I can do it. Yes, you can do it. 6. Good learners practice every day. What do good English learners do? They practice a little every day. They don't give up. They repeat what they learn. They speak even if it's not perfect. They enjoy the process. Can you do this? Yes, you can. A good English learner is not someone who knows everything. A good English learner is someone who keeps going. 8. Set a small goal. Set a goal like, I will learn 5 new words today. I will speak English for 2 minutes. I will watch one English video. Small goals are easy. And when you finish, you feel good. You feel proud. Celebrate your small success. Because big progress comes from small wins. 9. You are doing great. Look at you. You are listening to English. You are reading this right now. You are improving. That's amazing. Don't stop now. Keep going. If you feel tired, take a short break. Then come back. Your English is getting better every day. Remember, English is easy. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. You can do it. Say it out loud. English is easy. I can do it. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. And don't forget, you are a good English learner. Final message. My dear friend, I believe in you. Don't worry about your grammar. Don't worry about speaking perfectly. Just keep learning. Keep listening. Keep smiling. One day, you will say, yes, I speak English now. And I will say, I told you. You can do it. See you soon. And remember, English is easy. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. You can do it.